Hello guys, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Before we start, quickly turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload new video. So let's get down to today's tutorial. Okay, I already made some stuff available, so I'll be working with those items on this tutorial. So let's get started. This is the first item I will be using. Just come down here, make use of your relative position, accept it, then you lock it. Okay. Go back, take the other one, accept it, bring it to the middle, accept it. Okay, go back, import this. Okay, just accept it like this. I already created this stuff from my Pixie. Okay, I created the first one I imported with my PC. Okay, so that it will not take much time. I will be dropping all this material alongside in the description. You can just go ahead there and download it from there. So the better part of this video is I want to pass the idea on how to create this stuff. That is the better part of this video. So let's continue. Accept it. Just come straight. Accept it. Okay. Let's continue with it. Let's continue accept it, bring it here, sorry. Accept it. Accept it. Accept it. So let me just import all before I will start what I want to do. Okay, let's import this. Alright, so we'll successfully import all the items that will be needed for this tutorial. So let's get started. Now we'll change the color. Okay, you click on your layer, swap down, click here, disable your layer, go to your color, add in color, make use of this color. Okay, then you accept it. Then click on your layer again, click on this, change the color as well to this. Okay, then you accept it. Then let's change this background first, because so that it won't affect our design, that we can see whatever we are doing properly. So let's go with this. Alright, so come back here, go back to your layers, click here, turn to white, accept it, go back, click, turn to white as well, accept it, then go back, turn this to white as well, accept it, then go back, turn this to this yellow, accept it, go back, turn this to white, accept it. Maybe in next video I will show you how to cut out all this stuff. Okay, I will show you guys in the next video, but first let me through with this particular one first. So in our next video I will show you guys how to cut out all this stuff so that it can fit like this, in case you want to change the name and all that. Okay, so come down here, type in so we are done with it, we are done with this part. Okay, so what we do now, we save our logo, go back, make it transparent first, then we save, you save, make it ultra, and you save. So I'll be going straight to photo P. Okay, so here is our photo P environment. So click on your file, click on open, so you locate where your mockup file is, and here is the mockup I'll be using. This is our regular mockup, so that is what I'll be using for the sake of this tutorial. So click on your layer, swipe down, click on smart object, click on open. So what you do now, you locate your design you just created, allow it to load, and here is our design we just created. Okay, so go back, just scroll down like this, and off the preview icon. Okay, so click here and save smart object. Then you save. just download it. And that's all for the tutorial. So that will be the end of this tutorial now. See you guys in our next video. Bye.